Alright, if you have an issue with your Kioti CX2510 not starting, sometimes it starts, sometimes it doesn't, glow plugs don't light up, might be this sensor right here. So there's the safety sensor right here, and apparently there's been a recall on this one. There's some issues with some grounding, so get a replacement, about $140. And they say to remove the seat to take the old one out, but you can just do it without removing the seat. So there's 2 bolts, 10 millimeter, one on each side. So there's one, and you can reach the other one from underneath the tractor. Yep, so you can go under, and that white plug right there is going into this. So yep, that's the second bolt, right? Sorry. Second bolt's right there. And you can slide it off, take the pin out. There is a ground on there. Right there you'll need to connect to. So that's all.